Unlock the nexus of perpetuity ambitions. What distinguishes the extraordinarily successful from the ordinary? Creation isn't just about relentless determination, but also careful strategy. It's important to understand that financial prosperity doesn't simply happen by coincidence. It's a journey, often enriched with wisdom gathered from those who've tasted financial success before us. So, dive into the world of the victorious, towards monetary prosperity. Let's uncover more of these inspiring insights. Let's delve into the life of Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time. This financial titan, known as the Oracle of Omaha, has a story that is nothing short of extraordinary. Buffett's investment journey began in his youth. At the tender age of 11, he made his first investment, buying 3 shares of a company called City Service. This early foray into the world of finance sparked a passion for investing that would shape his life trajectory. Buffett's investment strategy is rooted in patience and a focus on value. He is a staunch advocate of value investing, a strategy that involves buying stocks that appear to be undervalued by the market. Buffett's approach is not about chasing quick profits, but about investing in companies with solid fundamentals and holding on to those investments for the long term. This strategy has paid off handsomely for Buffett. His company, Berkshire Hathaway, has consistently outperformed the S&P 500, an index often used as a benchmark for the overall stock market. Buffett's patience and discipline have allowed him to accumulate enormous wealth over time. But it's not just about the money for Buffett. He believes in the power of education and has often emphasized the importance of learning about investing. He once said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." This commitment to learning and growth is a key part of Buffett's success story. Buffett also exemplifies the power of starting small. He didn't begin his investment journey with a massive portfolio. Instead, he started with small investments and gradually built up his holdings over time. This approach underscores the power of compound interest and the potential for small investments to grow into substantial wealth. Buffett's success story is a testament to the power of patience, the importance of value investing, and the potential for anyone to achieve financial success with the right approach and mindset. His story is a powerful reminder that wealth creation is not a sprint, but a marathon. Buffett's success proves that patience and a keen eye for value can lead to extraordinary wealth. Now let's turn our attention to Elon Musk, a man who has revolutionized multiple industries. In Pretoria, South Africa, Elon Musk is the perfect embodiment of relentless determination. From a young age, he showed an insatiable curiosity for technology, teaching himself computer programming and selling his first video game at just 12 years old. This early drive would serve as the foundation for Musk's future ventures. Fast forward to the late 90s, Musk co-founded Zip2, a city guide software company, which was sold to Compaq for almost $300 million. But instead of retiring on a beach, Musk decided to reinvest his earnings, demonstrating his willingness to take risks. Next came PayPal, an online payment system. After its sale to eBay for $1.5 billion, Musk could have settled into a comfortable life. But that's not Elon Musk. He chose to risk it all again, venturing into industries many considered impossible to crack: space travel and electric cars. SpaceX, Musk's ambitious space exploration company, was laughed at by many. However, Musk's focus on innovation and his refusal to accept failure led to the company's success. Today, SpaceX is valued at over a staggering $150 billion, making commercial space travel a reality. On the other hand, Tesla, an electric car company, faced skepticism and financial difficulties. But Musk's vision of a sustainable energy future kept him going. Today, Tesla is a leader in the electric vehicle market, with a market capitalization of over $600 billion. Alongside these, Musk also co-founded SolarCity, a provider of solar energy services, which is now a subsidiary of Tesla, further cementing his commitment to sustainable energy. Story shows us that taking calculated risks and pushing for innovation can change the world and create immense wealth. His journey is a testament to the power of perseverance, the value of taking risks, and the importance of innovation. It's a story of turning the impossible into the possible. Let's not forget Sara Blakely, the self-made billionaire who started Spanx. Sara Blakely is an emblem of true perseverance. This tenacious woman faced countless rejections and doors closing in her face. Yet she never let the word no deter her from her path. Instead, she used every rejection as a stepping stone, every no fueling her determination to succeed. It was her unwavering belief in herself and her idea that eventually led her to become the youngest self-made female billionaire in the world. Now, what was this idea that Blakely had? It was simple, yet revolutionary. She wanted to create a new type of undergarment that would allow women to wear white pants without showing their underwear lines. This idea, which might seem trivial to some, was born out of a real problem that Blakely herself faced. She saw a gap in the market and decided to fill it. This is where Spanx was born. However, having a unique product idea was just the starting point for Blakely. She knew that to take her product to the masses, she needed to market it smartly. So, she started to think outside the box. She sent her product to Oprah Winfrey, who later named Spanx as one of her favorite things, providing the brand with a massive boost. Blakely also personally stood in department stores, explaining to women why they needed Spanx in their lives. Her grassroots marketing efforts paid off, and Spanx became a household name. From an idea born out of a personal need to a billion-dollar global brand, Blakely's journey is truly inspirational. Her story is a testament to the fact that you don't need a groundbreaking tech innovation to become a billionaire. Sometimes, all it takes is a simple idea, the courage to pursue it, and the skills to market it effectively. Blakely's success demonstrates that perseverance, a unique product, and smart marketing can lead to a billion-dollar business. Now that we've seen some success stories, what are the key strategies for wealth creation? It's a question that has been pondered by many, and we're going to distill it down into some digestible insights. The first strategy is patience and value investing, epitomized by Warren Buffett. Buffett's approach is akin to planting a seed and nurturing it, allowing it to grow over time. He carefully selects companies with intrinsic value, invests, and then waits patiently for his investments to bear fruit. This strategy requires a deep understanding of the market and the ability to wait for the right moment to make a move. It's not about quick wins, it's about long-term growth. The next key strategy is taking calculated risks and pushing for innovation, a strategy embodied by Elon Musk. Musk doesn't shy away from risks, he embraces them. He's not afraid to venture into uncharted territories, invest in new technologies, or shake up established industries. But these risks are not taken blindly. They're calculated, based on thorough research and a clear vision of the future. Musk's strategy shows us that wealth creation often requires thinking outside the box and challenging the status quo. The third strategy is a combination of perseverance, a unique product, and smart marketing, demonstrated by Sara Blakely. Blakely's journey to becoming a billionaire wasn't easy. She faced numerous rejections and obstacles, but she didn't give up. She had a unique product, a new kind of shapewear that filled a gap in the market, and she knew how to market it effectively, leveraging her story and her passion to connect with customers. Blakely's strategy shows us that wealth creation isn't just about having a good product. It's about persevering, understanding your market, and knowing how to reach your audience effectively. Each of these strategies is unique, yet they all share common elements. They require vision, understanding, patience, and the willingness to take risks. They involve not just investing money, but also time, effort, and creativity. But above all, remember this: wealth creation is not a one-size-fits-all game. What works for one person might not work for another. It's about finding the strategy that fits your goals, your skills, and your comfort level with risk. Remember, wealth creation is a journey, not a sprint. Patience, risk-taking, innovation, perseverance, a unique product or idea, and smart marketing are all part of the equation. And so, as we wrap up this segment, take these strategies to heart, adapt them to your situation, and start your journey to wealth creation. Wealth and success are within reach for those who learn from the successful. This statement is not just an empty promise, it's a reality that has been proven time and again by individuals like Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, and Sara. What sets these individuals apart is not just their extraordinary wealth, but their willingness to share their journey, their trials, their triumphs, and the strategies that got them there. They've shown us that the road to wealth may be arduous and filled with obstacles, but it's a journey worth taking. So what are you waiting for? It's time to step out of your comfort zone and start your journey towards wealth creation. Embrace the lessons learned from these successful individuals. Implement their strategies in your own life. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Your journey to financial success starts now. Learn from the best, implement their strategies, and chart your own path to wealth. Now that you've taken the first step in your journey towards wealth creation, it's time to take action. But remember, you don't have to do it alone. We are here to support you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on our upcoming videos, where we will be sharing more inspiring success stories and practical strategies for wealth creation. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it. Remember, success is sweeter when shared. Together, we can create a community of learning and growing. So, let's take this journey towards wealth and success together. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Share this video with others on the same journey. Your path to wealth begins here, and we're with you every step of the way.